Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Peachie Kids. If you watched my last video from them, I unboxed a subscription and she makes custom hair bows and all sorts of cute stuff. So this time I believe I ordered one headband from the shop and then I ordered a mystery bag, which is $20, and you get 10 random shabby flower headbands, which are some of my favorite kinds of headbands, and I like that it's a mystery. So there's a little sticker that says Peachie Kids. I'm so excited. As you may know if you watched my last video, she gave me a custom little birthday one for Raylan, and since she was born on Christmas, it was this really pretty bow, and she wore it, and it was adorable. And they fit her head really well, because she does have a really big head. Oh, I ordered two. I'm remembering now. I ordered this one. I thought it was a really cool print. I love black and white prints, and I like the thick bands like that for her. And this one is called Stripes and Roses Knit. It's a really soft material. And then I also picked out this one because I thought it was pretty neutral and it would go with a lot. Super cute. And this one is Vintage Gray Knit. And then these are my mystery ones. That is interesting. I haven't seen one like that. I like how sparkly and shimmery that band is. Very cute. This one is a new spring line bonus headband. Cool. Yeah, so we got 10, so she threw in a bonus one. Very nice of her. And then here are my little shabby flowers. So the ones I have now, she can't wear because her head's too big. But I used to always put them on her when we were doing professional pictures, just because I thought it looked more dressy. So she's bundled them all on there. 10-piece mystery set. And I did get size large. I asked her what size to order because of Raylan's head size again. So let's take a look. I'm going to cut them free. Alright, so I cut them all free so you can look at them one by one. This one's a beautiful, beautiful color. Lots of these are reminding me of spring, which I'm really excited about. I am so over winter. Bands are nice and stretchy, really soft. So cute. A really nice purple one. She puts a little piece of felt, maybe? Not sure if that's the correct term, but it's very soft and nicely done on the back. We have a brown one. I like this bright orange one. We have a pretty yellow. A gray. I put her in a lot of dark colors, grays, blacks, stuff like that, so I know I'll get a lot of use out of that one. I love this color too. It's a really nice teal color on camera. I'm looking through the little finder, and it looks like a lighter blue, but it's actually a really pretty teal color. Then we have more of a red that I'm sure is going to be her Valentine's Day hair bow. Nice pink one as well. And these are super comfortable for her. They didn't leave any marks on her head. And she likes the teddy bear ear one, surprisingly. She likes to take it off and play with it, but she leaves it on for most of the time, which is good, because that could be half the battle, trying to get your kids to keep them on their head. And then at the bottom it says, "You're pretty darn awesome for supporting a family-owned small business. Thank you, much love." And she is super nice, so I highly recommend her if you guys have kids, grandkids, you need a gift for somebody, please check out her shop. She's awesome. And she also gave me a promo code last time. I'm not sure if it's still valid, but you can try it. It's Mama Mittens, and that saves you $10 off a $35 or more purchase. And Peachie Kids, little business cards. Those are really pretty. I'll definitely hand some of those out. And then this looks like it's an invoice for what I bought. So that is what came in my mystery bundle. I am loving it. She is going to have enough bows to last her for a very long time. If you guys are watching this video on the day I posted it, go ahead and check out the website because there were a lot of sales going on when I was on there. So definitely don't want to miss that. You can get a mystery bundle like I did, or a subscription box, or you can just pick and choose ones you want to buy because you like the patterns. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.